how to find your old comments on Facebook PC. So if you want to find your old comments on your Facebook PC, then first you just need to open up your Facebook. You can go with your application or you can go with your browser. So I'll be here with my browser. You can open up your browser and go for facebook.com and make sure to log into your Facebook. Once you've logged into your Facebook, now you just need to go for the upper right, which has that profile option. Under profile, go for settings and privacy, and then go for activity log. Under activity log, you need to go for the option of comments. Click on comments, and then you need to go for end task, and you need to end the task of that application. You can do that with, and here you will have all of your comments. So I have not commented on anyone's post till now, but if you have commented, then you will have all of your comments right here. You can simply filter your comments, and you can go with your old comments, and you can delete your comments. So that's how you can find your comments on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.